Hey there, beautiful one. This is Faith Hunter, and I am so excited because today we have a special guest, as you can tell. It's not Sebastian, it's Sebastian's granny. This is my mother, and I am doing a special practice for seniors or with anyone that has any mobility issues. The entire practice can be done in a chair. So, go on and make yourselves comfortable. My mom is already set and ready to go. You want to give them a little wave and say, hey. Hey, everybody. So, we are going to move into a short, simple practice to help you find a sense of movement, ease, and then we'll drop into a meditation. Place both hands face down on your legs. Soles of the feet are touching the floor. Make sure you're spreading all those 10 toes wide. Spine is long, so make sure you sit up tall. Relax your shoulders, mom. Chin is parallel to the earth, and your eyes can stay opened or closed. And all we're going to do right now is breathe. So just seal your lips and breathe slowly in and out of your nose. Again, we're keeping the shoulders relaxed. The spine is extending all the way up so the crown of your head lifts towards the heavens. And this is our opportunity to find a sense of steadiness and stillness. And as we take these next few breaths, I want you to think about what you desire in your practice. If you want to set an intention, maybe even just say, you know what, I'm just trying to be present here. I'm intentionally making some steps towards my overall health and well-being. And just feel into that intention. All right, now take another deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. Beautiful. How are you feeling, Mom? Good? Awesome. Okay, so we're going to move a little bit. We're just going to start with the head and neck. So with this, you're just going to drop your chin towards your chest and bring it back up parallel. That's all we're going to do. 5 more times. Drop your chin to your chest. Nice and slow. Lift your chin up. Know that you can keep your eyes opened or closed. And I think we have 2 more. Drop your chin to your chest. Come back parallel. And last one, drop your chin to your chest. Now this time you're going to keep your head down, right? And you're just going to take your chin over to your right shoulder. So shoulder all the way over. Reach the chin all the way over to the right shoulder. And then bring your chin all the way over to the left shoulder. And continue that, going gently from side to side. And still keeping a nice straight spine. All right, so we're going to add on just a little bit, only if it feels comfortable for you. Now, if you can, start to take your head over to the right shoulder and then lift your chin so you go all the way back. So we're doing a full circle, and then take your head all the way over to the left. And then drop your head back down to your chest. Oh, Mom, you're doing great. Here we go. Keep going all the way over to the right. Lift the chin up, back, and over to the left. Let's do one more like that. All the way over to the right. Lift up, left, and back to center. So the beautiful part is that we're going to reverse this now. So you're going to take the chin all the way over to the left shoulder. And all the way back. Beautiful. To the right. And drop it down. Over to the left. Take it back. Continue to breathe deeply in and out of your nose during the process. And we have one more. And back to center. And then lift your chin so it's parallel to the earth again. And now we're just doing simple head swipes. So we're just going to take the head to the right and to the left. So turn to the right and gently to the left. and to the right. So again, it's really slow movement. You may feel a little tightness here, and that's okay. Just breathe and go as far as you can, but don't overdo it. Take your time. Move at your own pace, of course. So my mom and I are moving at different paces, and that is okay. We'll do a few more. And back to center. Awesome. All right. So now we're just going to shake it out. I really love shaking because it helps us get, and she's already started. It helps us really get some of that static energy out of our body. And it also helps with anxiety, right? If you feel like you're in this place and you're holding on too tightly, you just start shaking the body. So you can start from the top of the bottom. Do like my mom. She's already shaking her shoulders, getting her groove on. You can shake those hands out. And then if you want, you can start moving and shaking the legs and the feet. Again, you're just releasing tension, releasing stress, letting go of any static energy that's in the body, right? It's a perfect somatic shake we're doing right now. And if you do have the capacity to stand, right, and that feels comfortable, feel free to stand and do this little shake. But we're just going to do it seated. Just let it all out. Shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, come on back. See, that feels so good. Feels good to you? Awesome. All right, we're going to move into a gentle spinal flexion. So again, the hands can stay right there on your legs. When you inhale, the chest is going to come forward, and you can lift the chin if you want. And then as you exhale, you're going to round the back nice and slow. Inhale, bring your chest forward, lift, and exhale, round. Let's take 5 more. Inhale, chest forward. Exhale, round. Inhale. And exhale. Last 2. Breathing your chest forward. Exhale, round. Final 1. Inhale, chest forward. And exhale, round. And bring your body back to neutral. Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out, and just kind of notice and observe what you're feeling in this moment. Okay. Let's move into our spinal twist. So you're going to breathe in, lengthen the spine, and then you're going to exhale, twist to your right. So the right hand is going to drop behind you, and the left hand comes to your knee. Perfect. You're still sitting up tall, like my mom's making adjustments for our body. So definitely make adjustments where you need to. She decided to inch a little bit further to the edge of her seat to have a little more space and to make it a little more comfortable. Now, while you're here, you're still breathing deeply in and out of your nose. Your head can stay in line with your spine. My personal option is actually to gaze right over my right shoulder, but only if that's comfortable. So know that the head can go wherever it feels right for you. One more breath here. All right, slowly unravel the body. You're going to breathe in, and then you're going to take it all the way over to the other side. So again, the left hand is going to come behind you. The right hand is resting on your left leg. Make any adjustments. If you need to inch to the front of your seat, feel free to do that. If you don't have the capacity to do that, just place your left hand right there outside your left hip, or just leave it on your left thigh. But still get the twist in, yeah? A few more breaths. One more breath. Slowly come back to center. Give yourself a moment again. Readjust. And we're going to add on a little bit. So you're going to take your hands, interlace your fingers, and then turn the palms out. And then you're going to round your back. And then when you inhale, your chest is going to come forward. And if you want, only if it feels comfortable, Mom, you may or may not want to do this, so it's up to you. You can lift your hands up. Oh, she's doing it. Yay. Inhale. And then when you exhale, you're going to lower the hands and then round the back. Beautiful. And then inhale, lift your chest, lift the arms only if it's comfortable. Exhale, round the back again. You can drop your chin to your chest, move slowly, only go to your personal best, right? And your personal best may just be staying here and moving your spine. And that's cool. Not even doing the arms. So we're going to do a few more, Mom. Again, if you want to just keep the hands resting on your legs and continue with a basic spinal flexion, you can. And round. Let's do last one. Breathing in, chest forward, arms lift. And then as you exhale, round the back a little, lower your arms. Relax your hands and your legs. Come up, sit up tall. How are you feeling? You okay? All right. So we're going to move on to a little leg action here. So you're going to take your right leg, or actually make sure the sole of your left foot is firmly rooted to the mat. You're going to take your right leg and extend the right leg forward, flex your foot, and then bring it back down. All right, flex your foot. She likes doing opposite legs, so you can alternate if you want, or you can do the same leg, right? So the key here is just extending, but make sure when you do it, you flex, keep the chest lifted. There we go. Lower the leg. Oh, you can lower. Bend the knee. There we go. So you again flex and lower. Extend and lower. So again, find your own rhythm. She dictated this today, so we're doing alternating legs. So you can alternate, or you can do maybe 5 or 10 on one side and then do 5 or 10 on the other side. So it's up to you. I'm going to go with her. A few more. Flex and lower. So you can count, or you can set a timer, or you can just hang out with us and just flex and extend. That's good too. How about we do a few more? Sounds good? Okay. Breathe deep. Last one or two. All right. Oh, roll those shoulders a little bit, up and back. Now sit back just a little bit in the sofa or your chair. We're going to extend again, but this time we're going to rotate the ankle, right? So I kind of like sometimes grabbing my leg and rotating, right? And kind of leaning back so that I have a nice good hold on it. You can hold it low, whatever works. You don't have to hold it. It's up to you. So you can kind of do whatever works for you. All right. So let's do right. Move in one direction a few times. And then reverse direction. Then the next thing we're going to do on the same leg is actually point and flex. So you're going to flex the foot and then point. And flex and point. Again, you can have it up. You can move it around. Flex and point. You can keep it down low. Flex and point. Do what feels comfortable. If you want. Flex. Point. Flex. And point. All right, relax. Shake that leg out. Actually, let's do some tapping. Let's tap. Maybe give your leg a little massage. Feel that energy moving through it. All right, ready for the other leg? Let's do. Again, you can hold on. You don't have to. I like holding on. My personal favorite. Here we go. Flex. Oh, let's do the rotation first, actually. Rotate. Move that ankle around. Move that foot around in one direction. Nice and slow. And then we're going to reverse. Other side. Almost there. Here we go. Okay. Time to flex and point. Flex and point. And flex and point. You're doing a great job, by the way, Mom. All right. Lower that foot. Same thing. Give that leg a little massage. If you want, you can tap a little bit or just rub it. Get all the way down, get those knees, get those quads, get those calf muscles. So the cool part is that your hands have healing power. So when you actually place your hands on your body, it's not just about getting that energy flowing, but it's using the healing power of your hands to soothe and support the energy moving through. And even your hands can go in to deep areas of your physical and emotional body to help you find a little bit more ease, a little more fluidity, and even a sense of calm. Because even just rubbing on yourself, touching yourself, right, can create a sense of relaxation and calm, meaning calming your nervous system. All right. Ready for our last thing? All right, side body stretch. The left hand is going to go right there on the sofa. You're going to take that right arm up alongside your ear, and you're going to take a nice stretch over to the left. Beautiful. Palm facing in. You got it. Keep your chest lifting up. Keep the head up. There we go. Awesome. Oops. And come back to center. Let's go to the other side. Hold this side. Nice stretch. Opening up that left side of the body. Keep both feet firmly on the mat. Keep your chest lifted. One more breath. And come back to center. All right. Now, let's do a few little shoulder rolls, and then we'll move into our meditation. So just lift those shoulders up and back a little bit. And then come back to center. Place the backs of your hands on your legs, palms facing up. So your hands are in this place of openness and receptivity. Go on and close your eyes. Relax your shoulders. Chin can come parallel to the earth. Relax the tongue in your mouth. Relax your jaw muscles. And just start out by breathing in and out of your nose. And as you breathe in and out of your nose, I want you to bring awareness to the soles of your feet. Notice any sensations there. Bring your awareness into your legs, calf muscles, knees, hamstrings, and thighs. And feeling this sense of grounding as you feel your hips resting on your chair or your sofa. That beautiful elongation of the spine as the crown of the head lifts up. And as we begin to seal our practice today, I want you to think about what you are most grateful for. Just let those thoughts of gratitude move through your mind. Allow those thoughts of gratitude to melt into your heart. And allow those thoughts of gratitude to pour over your entire physical body. Take another deep breath in. Exhale. And start to blink your eyes open. And first, I want to give thanks to my mom for joining me today for a little workout. You feeling good? Thumbs up. She's feeling great. And I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Definitely, if you enjoyed this, share this with your friends, share this with a family member. It only takes a few minutes a day to stay vibrant and healthy, regardless of your age. Take care, everybody. Stay spiritually fly, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.